Most people find money overwhelming. From budgets and bills to savings, investing, taxes, and planning. Budgets, bills, and savings are common tasks that make financial management feel confusing and stressful. Add investing, taxes, and planning to the mix, and it's easy to see why money feels so complicated. But what if all that complexity could fit on just one page? The one-page plan is a single system designed to simplify your entire financial life. It covers everything you need: spending, saving, investing, and growing wealth. Follow this plan, and your money confusion transforms into genuine money confidence. Today, we're walking through the complete one-page money plan for 2026, perfect for beginners. Let's start with the smartest way to divide your income, the 50-30-20 money flow rule. Your income splits into three parts: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for future money. That 50% for needs covers rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, all your non-negotiables. If these essentials don't fit inside 50%, your lifestyle is too expensive. The 30% for wants includes dining out, shopping, subscriptions, and travel, things that make life enjoyable. Life is not only about saving. Smart spending keeps you motivated. That final 20% for future money is what actually builds wealth over time. This rule balances your present and future. You enjoy today without destroying tomorrow. Now let's organize your money so it's easy to control with the 3-bank account blueprint. You only need 3 accounts: a spend account for daily life, a save account for safety, and an invest account for growth. Your spend account receives your salary and handles all bills and expenses transparently. The save account is your no-touch zone for emergency fund, travel, rent deposits, and medical expenses. Your invest account holds index funds, ETFs, SIPs, and retirement funds, where real wealth is built. Separation equals clarity. When money has a home, it behaves. Before investing anything, you need the 6-month emergency shield. Your emergency fund acts as a financial shield, protecting you with 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Without it, job changes lead to medical surprises, then car issues, and finally desperate credit card use. The emergency fund prevents panic, stress, and bad money decisions. Now here's where wealth is created. Auto-invest 20% every month. Wealth creation equals automation, not luck, but consistent action. Set automatic investments into index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, and SIPs for steady growth. You don't need to time the market, you just need to stay in the market. To balance everything perfectly, use the 3 investment buckets master strategy. Your investment strategy divides into safety bucket, growth bucket, and high reward bucket. The safety bucket holds 15 to 20% in savings, emergency fund, and short-term goals for protection. The growth bucket takes 60 to 70% and fills it with index funds, mutual funds, retirement accounts, and property, the heart of your wealth. The high reward bucket uses 10 to 20% for side hustles, online business, skills, and optional crypto for rapid income potential. You stay safe, you grow consistently, you explore high reward opportunities, perfect balance. Your plan isn't complete until you build at least 2 income streams. By 2026, aim for 1 main income for security plus 1 side income for freedom. Consider freelancing, YouTube, affiliate income, digital products, or stock dividends as your second stream. Here's the fastest way to destroy wealth. Ignore the no stupid debt law. Good debt builds wealth, but bad debt kills it. They're complete opposites. Never borrow for lifestyle spending, new phones, or vacations. That's bad debt territory. Once a month, spend 10 minutes on the monthly review ritual. Check your 50-30-20 split, verify auto-invest went through, review savings growth, confirm debt avoidance, and track second income progress. This ritual turns you from reacting to money to controlling money. Review your numbers, adjust what's not working, and grow through those changes. Print this entire plan and stick it on your wall as your money GPS. A simple plan means faster action and strong consistency. Follow this for 12 months, and you'll be shocked at how organized and confident you feel with money. We're wrapping up, but before you go, there's something important coming your way. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out. Next up, we're revealing 7 red flags you're wasting money without realizing it. You won't want to miss this one. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering your money with Money Mastery.